Make the ground shake.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Hey! Listen! Hey! Listen! Hey! Listen!
Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you.
No, I can't. How could this happen to me? I've made
up higher. Man, I'm not gonna let you poison me. I threw it on the ground. You must think I'm a joke.
No iPhone, no Droid, but I do have something special, baby. That your boyfriend will never ever own. Never ever own. I'm black from the waist down.
They've got a power and a force that you've never seen before. They've got
Step maybe one, here comes the two to the three to the four. Everybody drunk out on the dance floor. Baby girl asked to go see.
I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Ooh, I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead.
Everybody knows shit. Fuck. Everybody knows shit. Fuck.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to check a pattern on your skirt. Yeah, I see you flaunting, see you taunting. It's so sickening. I can't resist the way you flirt.
A little shake, a little tingle. A little shake, a little tingle. A little shake, a little tingle. A little shake, a little.
kill the damn mosquito.
wave your hands in the air like you don't care. Glide by the beat.
it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up.
Let me take a selfie.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10.